AI seems really complicated, but what I want to do is show you that really isn't the case. Today, we're going to look at webhooks, and this is the most interesting part and my favorite part because this is where coding comes into the equation. A webhook is basically how an AI chatbot will communicate with your code and then elicit some sort of action or some sort of response out of it. Let me give you quick examples of things that are webhooks so you have a better understanding. If I ask, what is the weather today, and I get the whole weather widget loaded in there with images and graphics and stuff like that, that's through a webhook. If I ask, for example, to buy a platinum coin and I see the best platinum coin products loaded into my AI chatbot, that's another example of a webhook. Webhooks are super flexible and it lets you put a lot of functionality into your chatbots. You can inject really cool stuff, and honestly the options are endless for what you can do with webhooks. But with anything like that, we need to consider security. So I can give you two pieces of advice. So the first one is we want to authenticate. We want to make sure that no unauthenticated users can use your webhook because it'll drive up your costs and reduce your performance. And the second thing is validate. This is pretty common, but you want to make sure that all of your information is valid, whether it's from an input or an output. You don't want any corrupt data or anything like that.